All right, so guys, take a look here, right? We're gonna take a look at the indicators here, guys, real quick. Let's do a run by just to see where we're at. So the indicators, like if you guys are in the academy, you're gonna hear me all the time talk about moons and positions, etc. So right here, we can see as we go across, this is your daily, right? And I'm always talking about daily moons or daily trends, right? So here's your daily moon, right? Here's a daily moon on XRP. This was March 13th. Can you guys see that? March 13th. You guys see that on TikTok as well? We got a green moon here, right? These indicators are very simple to use. Here's a green moon. Here's your green moon, right? And this is where just waiting for the, I mean, personally, you can just make one or two trades every 2 weeks and make a shitload of money. And this is where it really kind of like focuses on, right? Here's your green moon, guys, right here. You can see this green moon. You guys see this moon here? Okay. Now, that is a buy signal on XRP. This happened on Monday, March 13th. So literally 7 days ago, XRP got a buy signal right here. See that? And so that's about 35 cents. Now, as we move across here, we start to build momentum. We get a green trend right here, right? So this green trend happened on Tuesday, the 21st, right? You guys see right here, Tuesday the 21st. That's today. So this basically just picked up a lot of momentum, right? And that normally is going to run out for a while. And the RSI is kind of coming to a top position here. And that's really what we're waiting on here. So the daily position right here, if you guys take a look, this was the last time that we kind of fizzed out at that 39 cents and we had a pullback, right? But the RSI on the daily so far, and this isn't a green trend. So now we're dealing with something a little bit different. We have momentum. So here we go as we push up here. And this is going to be recorded pops. You can go back and take a look. So this is pushing up right here. And as we come across, we're getting nice momentum here. So we got a little more room here to kind of like move up here. All right, that's kind of where our little break point is for XRP. Normally is about that area right there. So we got a little more room here that XRP wants to run. And let's go back to when we had a green move here. So when the RSI breaks down and we have a green volume, we have a little bit of a pullback on the daily, but it really kind of like goes flat here, right? So there's more pressure, buying pressure here, and it comes across. And even though we're pulling down on our RSI, we're getting a nice little set, and then eventually it bottoms out, and then we can, you know, take advantage of a long. And that's kind of where we're at right now. So we got a little bit of time here on XRP. So, I mean, XRP could probably break 50 cents, I would say, in this area here. So right now there's a lot of buying pressure on XRP. I wouldn't be shorting XRP too much right now with all the buying until the daily kind of, you know, reverses down. So now that we see that, that's the trade we should have been, would have been that daily thing. Also, guys, once again, the 4-hour moons. I put the 4-hour moons inside the Discord 100 times. I'm always telling you guys, watch the 4-hour moons. And right here, another 4-hour moon on at 3 o'clock this morning, guys. Right, 3 o'clock this smelly. I would put my stop loss at the 44 cent mark, right? Because that's kind of where we're, you know, XRP right now is trading about 44.5 cents. So 44.5 to 45.5 is kind of XRP's range right now. That's where it's trading. And now that it's kind of like hit that bottom, it looks like we're going to go on a little bit of a push here. So just kind of like on the whole, right? I'm always talking about the 4-hour moons, right? 44 cents. So for you, I mean, you if you're in there a little bit later, you'd be about 44.5. And you'd be moving it up to your entry price as soon as you hit like at least 20 or 30% profit on that side.
All right, I'm at like $46 profit.
Yeah.
There you go.
What's the percent?
The percent is 16.84.
Yeah, so right there you'd be, you know, move your stop loss closer to your entry. What was the entry for you?
Hold on one second.
Oh, a touchscreen?
Yeah, well, I'm using, I might be better off using the touch. All the open positions have stop loss orders set up, so I gotta go to the,
So right now, I mean, as long as your stop loss is at that 10% back, you should be good. We're gonna hold it right here. So 44, 44, like 445 is probably our stop loss here that we're just gonna let it run until
are we waiting to a different way to pull that up? When I go to the profit, where it's add down the bottom,
there should be, there's a little arrow to the right of that. You see the little arrow? There should be a little arrow. There's a like a, yeah. That pulls the screen sideways.
here's that after dealing with the, so I got the stop entry is at 45.30. Is it the entry price?
So your stop should be like 44.8 or something. 448. So 0.448. And we're gonna hold this, guys. All right, so let me get this power 0.2 point. All right, so let's take a look here. So right now, everything's moving fine until this daily bends down, right? This could be, you know, this could easily be a, you know, another 6 hours of XRP pulling its weight, which it is right now. But so far we're pretty good here. Now, guys, if you're in the academy, this is what I'm talking about right here, guys. If you're in the academy, I had done 0.45 short. Is good, bro. I had done a 45-cent short. Is that good, bro? 45 cents short. I wouldn't be shorting XRP right now. Until XRP is just gaining all its momentum. So I wouldn't be doing a short until the rally's over, right? Normally a rally's going to be in there. So right here, I just kind of want to post this up. Let me get my Discord up here real quick.
So is it still time to enter this? Like if I want to place another long or no?
I mean, you can add to the long that you have, right? So, I mean, but there's, you know, you want to, you can add more to it if you're looking to get in there. So what do you have in there? Like right before the percentages, remember to the left, the margin, what's the top number?
275.
Yeah, that's, so it says 275 USDT.
Yeah, that's good, right?
Yeah, you're good. I mean, you want to get to where you're just kind of like using a certain amount all the time. So you want to trade with each trade at $100, right?
Otherwise, it'll be like going to the casino. I'll keep putting money in every time I make a mistake.
Yeah. You want to, because you're not going to hit every trade, but you want to get to where you're, you know.
Yeah, we all have different percentages. Like if I hit 80%, I'm happy. So you're saying percentages are usually higher than that.
Yeah, I mean, so so get yourself kind of thinking that when you trade, you want to put yourself at like $100 per trade, right? And then you set that trade, and when you set that trade, you set the take profit at 50%, right? And you take stop loss, and you put the stop loss at like 25%. That way you're not like over trading, you're keeping trades simple, you know. That way if you're winning 7 out of 10 trades, you know, that literally those 3 losses are 25% losses and those 7 wins are 50% wins, right? So it's giving you a nice little solid 50% wins at that double price. All right, so let's see here. So, Purple, what up, baby? All right, let's get the VIP chat here, and it's just kind of like, what are all these new things? Pump it up, Purple. Everybody's Ric Flairing it. So there's some trades out here going on. So we're gonna hold this XRP trade until we see everybody's tripling their XRP bags. Thanks for the weights, baby. Thanks for the chili. Richard, what up, baby? Thanks for the bolt, man. Thanks for the bolt, guys. All right, let me see here. Not responding. But we're going to be holding this XRP spot for a little bit of time here. Phantom. So just your important thing is that every time you go to a coin or you get yourself set up, Pops, you want to just make sure that you're dealing with a 30 to 50% leverage, right? 30 to 50, right? So you should probably practice right now, just kind of like staying around I'd say probably about 40% would be good for you. Keep it simple. And every trade you want to keep, you want to keep it around the $100 mark. And then profit wise, you want to always set your profits at about, take profits 30 to 50%. 40% is probably a good number. And your stop losses, keep your stop losses around 10%. Sometimes on the profit, a lot of guys don't set their profit taking. They'll put something like 100%, and then their stop loss at 10, and then they'll check on their trades. And when they get to a level that they like, they will then move their stop loss up and basically lock in 20 to 30% gains, and then see what happens. All right, here. Let's see what we got here. CBDCs banned forever. Where'd you get that, Purple? Purple's like, ban them, baby. All right. All right, so what I want to take a look here, man, guys, is like the trading view, guys. We want to get set up to where we don't miss these moons, right? Simplest trades in the world are to catch, the longer time frames. So guys, if you're trading, man, everybody's always like, what's the time frame? I mean, personally, the longer time frames are the best ones to deal with, because once you have those set up, it's very simple to get into these trades, right? So for instance, here's our 4-hour moon, right? I didn't see anybody post about a 4-hour moon on the Academy, right? So here's our 4-hour moon. That happened literally at 3 a.m. in the morning. So let's take a look here. XRP, 4-hour moon. All right, we're in a long position here.
What are we looking for in the 4-hour moon again, bud?
Yeah, just when it pops up. So here, you see my chart?
Yep, I see it.
So here's your 4-hour, right?
Right.
And then we got a 4-hour moon. Yeah, that happened. Yeah, we should have went long right there. Yeah, you just want to spot these. So as you're going through, right? So here you go. You take a look, and it's like we have positive volume, right? So the first of all, the volume is high positive here for XRP, right? We had an original 4-hour moon hit way back on the 16th, right? When XRP was at 36 cents, right?
You all want to order food, he's got. If you order from that chicken rice place, tell them they missed chicken in my order last time.
Those bastards. So take a look at the 4-hour, right? So as you can see on the 4-hour here on March,
170 pounds of ED,
on March 16th, 4-hour moon.
I try to follow you and look at everything.
All right, so right now we're XRPing this long, right? So this is what you want to look for. So right here on the 16th of March, right, which is this candle here, that was a 36-cent entry. So I'm gonna get those, and then basically so right here we just want to catch those 4-hour moons, right? So anytime you guys see these, it's beginning manipulated. Yes, I mean guys, it's hovering right now, but these are the moons that we want to pay attention to, right? So right here we have our green moon, right? That was March 16th. We could have got in XRP around 37 cents, right? Green trend, green moon, everything looks good, trends out, and then that gives us to a red moon to about 38 cents. We could have pulled out there. The RSI is already towards the bottom, and then our re-entry right here on the green moon came right back at 38 cents. So this is where everyone should have been in XRP right here on this green moon at 38 cents. So minimum 40 cents. So minimum you guys should have been in XRP at 40 cents. So now what we're waiting for is the RSI to basically, give up over here. It hasn't yet, and red moons or whatever, right? So, all right. So that's what we're looking at right now. All right. So let me post this in the Discord. Four-hour moons. So that's purple, right? So go pops, go to your look at Discord, and you see purple, right? So to the right of purple, right click on his name, and then you can just mute purple. Hey purple, make sure you put your when you're in Discord, purple, make sure you have push to talk on.
You mean what?
Push to talk, right? So make sure that you have it set up so you have it on push to talk. So if you're talking to somebody, everybody can't hear you. Dookie, what up, baby? Yeah. There's a thing called push to talk. So you should be on settings, right? And I might be able to I might just be able to do the whole thing. Hold on. Let's see here. Permissions. Speak here. Allow members to talk in the voice channel. If the permission is disabled, members default muted. Somebody, all right. So you can speak. Priority speaker. Allow members to be more easily heard. All right. All right, so let's get back into these little charts here. Okay. All right, so this is it. All right, so at my boy at what's Mr. Richmond now at All right. So now we're kind of updated everywhere we want to be. All right. So let's get this big back in this trade. So right now XRP guys are very strong on the 4 hour. Now we're gonna hold XRP and there's a pullback on XRP right now, guys. So here's your 2 hour pullback. So this is where there's got to be some type of relief here. But the trend is going to be the one that we're really looking at, and we can go to the 30-minute trend. And so far, the 30-minute trend is still green. So until that kind of changes, we're going to stay in a long position until that kind of changes there. So right now, we're just getting some breathing room here, guys. So that's where we're at there. So if you're doing an XRP long, if you're doing something like a leverage of 10, 20x or something like that, you should be good on that, guys. Oh, nothing too crazy. But, it does look good, man. So what do you think, guys? What do you think? XRP, you guys are in there. 45 cents seems like the fair value price for XRP right now. That's where it's kind of hovering. 44.5, 45.5 seems to be this little avenue. So we're going to take a look here. And the next thing I want to do, guys, is take a look at XRP. And this is where you guys can kind of like dig yourself into what levels are, what leverages or areas that you want to be in to kind of see where XRP is as far as like support. Right, so we're gonna for support and stuff like that, guys. And this is all being recorded for you. Thanks for the follow, guys. Aswari Imbra Wise Crazy Saloon. What up, Crazy Saloon? Pug G. Sus, what up, man? Crazy Saloon. Thanks for the follow, guys. All right, so right now, guys, you're just in a situation where a coin is kind of going flat. Not too many buyers, but not too many people selling here. So we're just kind of holding our position where we're at right now. Not too concerned about that. But if you're looking to get into XRP, the price 44.5 cents to 45 cents seems to be the value there. We're sitting in the middle of just a slight little pullback here, but we want to see where some levels are, where some basic support and resistance are. And to do that, we're just going to slide over to what's called the 4-hour time frame so that we can see what's going on. Now, guys, the indicators that we use are very simple to use. I like trading on higher time frames. So for me, it's more about trading with the 4-hour and the daily and the 2 hours. Those are my type of time frames. If you're doing any type of scalp trading like that, obviously you're trading on a 5-minute. I like to trade on the higher time frames once it has a certain kind of momentum going on it. So right here, we're going to back up. I'm going to flip this around for you guys. I'm going to show you some leverages or support lines because we're also recording this. You can find this on YouTube. So if you guys you want to comment or to look at the charts, you can slide over to YouTube and I'll be able to see what you're saying on YouTube. And I'm gonna put YouTube over here so that you guys that are on the Discord can actually see what I'm doing here.
VC, I'll have to go to the bathroom. Should I still be in that trade?
Yeah, we're long, man.
Okay, it's like negative $45.
Yeah, we're holding right now. That's what I'm saying. We're holding until that.
I don't care.
No, we're holding until that we get the 30-minute until that 30-minute goes red on there. So. Yeah, you're good, man. Go ahead. This is all on YouTube, man. So that's where we're at right now. All right, so guys, if you XRP go to 50, I think it's going to 50, guys. XRP 50, 58 cents is probably like the zone for XRP right now. Moderation activity is now hidden. Got it. Okay. If you guys want to talk or like interact with me, you can go to YouTube right now. We are live on YouTube. So you guys should be able to see. So if you're in my Discord right now, you guys should be able to see my screen, correct? So we're live right now. Okay. Let's see. Say something. Yo, let's make sure we're all set up here. Okay, so we are good to go. So if guys, if you want to see the charts live, go check out the YouTube. You can see that in the link in my bio. So right now we're going to chart out some resistance lines for XRP because the idea is like, okay, where's XRP going to go? 50 cents, whatever. Let's go see what we got here. So we're going to slide over to the 4 hour just to see where we have some resistance and some support lines, right? And you always want to do this on the higher time frames, right? So this is very simple. This is something that we're doing right now. And let me put in the Discord here. All right. Okay, so now let's take a look here. Now we want to see where XRP is going to go, right? So guys, anytime that you have that, you want to kind of go back to the 4 hour time frame, right? The deeper the time frame, the better the ability to get some lines in there, and that's what we're looking for right now. So let's see where XRP is kind of treading out here. So we're going to go back here. And we're going to go back to the, let me make some little changes here to my chart. All right. I'm going to reset this real quick. There we go. All right, I just wanted to clean up the chart a little bit. All right, guys, so here, let's take a look here. All right, so 4 hour. Let's go back to the top of the 4 hour, right? So basically, going back to our recent highs, which was in September, you want to go over here, hit your little ray line, and we want to kind of like hit the tops of these here. So the tops right now for XRP at that point was about 50 cents. The bottom of that channel was in this zone here, which is exactly where we're at right now. So that's what we're fighting to get into. So right now we're fighting to get into this little channel of 45 cents to 50 cents, right? So that's where XRP is kind of going to live there. So we are at that top of that oversold mark, but you know, you can always break new highs, you can break through. So that right there is kind of like the channel that we're going into. So let me see if there's any more. I'm gonna go into a little more. So guys, sometimes on your trading view, if you guys run into a situation where there's not a lot of data, or like you go back and there's not a lot of charts, it's because you could be looking at something like um, a particular exchange, right? So Binance is normally the exchange that has something the longest, which I'm going to click here for XRP. I'm going to get rid of the .p. I'm going to go to Binance here. So now I get rid of that. I can have my lines here, and this kind of lets me know where we have as far as like XRP. So we're sitting 41 cents, 42, 44. We broke through all that pretty easily. I mean, XRP, bro. I mean, XRP, guys, on the 4 hour, this thing looks massive, to be honest with you. This thing looks like it's probably going to 58 cents. I mean, this thing looks huge, man. This thing is pushing very, very hard here. I mean, our RSI right here is almost oversold, so we are pushing up into that 45. I mean, we're in the middle of that moment of XRP. They're either going to push this to 55, 58, or it's going to be a final hurrah to 49, 50 cents, and that's kind of like that next little zone there is that 50-cent zone, right? We're going to see that right now. I'm going to pull that up here. As you can see here, we broke through that last support line back here at the top of these candles here. And that's where it had a little bit of fight right there, as you can see. Came back, it hit that line. The support is 43 cents. So if you're doing a long or a stop loss on a position trade, 43 cents is probably your stop loss. On a longer trade, if you're spotting it. Now, let's see where we have... Yeah, this is a very heavy line here on XRP, right? XRP bottom right here. I mean, it's literally fighting the support zone at 45 cents. So it breaks through here. This is a big support line that it breaks through. The next one is sitting at about 48 cents. Oh, my bad. Hold on. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you're good. All right, so now, why does it rotate for you guys? Hold on one sec. There we go. Yeah, I'm live on, you can see all the charts live on YouTube. No, you're looking at YouTube right there. You gotta, it don't really matter. If you want to see the charts, go to YouTube. If you want to see me, I'm on TikTok. We need to see your screen. VC, how's it going, man? What's up, Spoon? Yo, Spoon, we keep missing those, bro. I'm going to be more active. We are missing the 4-hour moons, and those things are fucking money, man. Like, I'm not, you know, I'm just doing, I'm in the middle of a bunch of shit right now. I'm moving. I'm getting ready for the summer. I'm kind of getting everything set up. So I'm missing, like, Aloha, Ninja. What up, Tony? Tony in Hawaii. Dude, those 4-hour moons, man. Jesus. They're huge, bro. Did you see the entry for XRP? 38 cents. Twice. I'm going to set all my alerts up for just moons, man. Because I really just want to trade moons. But right now I'm looking at the overall, like, charts for the top and the bottom. Quantum. Quantum, what's your, yo. Please do a Telegram group. You don't have YouTube, bro? I mean, we can do a Telegram group, man. I'm just not as active on Telegram. You don't know, yo, Mike Willie. You don't know how to use. What's up, man? Yo, the Theory. What's up, baby? Do you have Discord? Tony, yeah, I do. I do YouTube, bro. I got a shitload of stuff. You guys should be able to go to a link in my bio, man. The link in my bio should the link in the bio should have the YouTube on it. Let me check right quick. That should be Linktree. Do. What do you got, bro? What do you got? Yeah, there's YouTube on there, bro. YouTube's down. 1, 2, 3, fourth one down. 1, 2, 3, 4 down. 4 down is the YouTube channel on my the link in my bio. All right, so let's take a look here. So right now, guys, we're just breaking down levels here to see where we're at as far as like XRP, how far it'll go, etc. And it looks like, I mean, there is some heavy resistance support lines here between 40, 45, 46 area right there. And if it breaks through there, the next one that we're really sitting on is probably right there. So right now, XRP 48 cents, 48.6 is probably the go-to here. I mean, I would say, you know, with the RSI kind of being oversold here, we'll take a deeper dive here, and then also, but 50 cents is a super solid support line here, guys. So let's take a look. Let's dive a little deeper into the chart here to see what was going on during that time frame. Um, so we had a green moon, we had a low RSI, we had a nice push for volume across the top. All right, guys, please let me join the Discord live. What's your I paid VIP. What is your? Are you in Discord, bro? What's your Discord name? Quantum. What's your Discord name, bro? Maya MMC. All right, hold on. Let me see if I can find you real quick, bro. I'm gonna send you a message, man. You need to I'm gonna send you a message. You need to send me your email on your DM.
Tell them stop and get me some real fire.
You're all set up there, bro. All right, we're going back to YouTube right now. All right. All right, so let's break this down, man, so we can kind of see where the levels are right now. So currently, I mean, we are hitting some resistance, some support lines. We have a nice little couple layers here to break here. Let's go back and see what the charts were doing at the time of these like nice explosions, right? This one was the biggest one right here. And that's really what I want to look at, right? So September 16th, we had a lot of low volume, a lot of room to run on the volume. And the RSI basically to the top. It ran across the top for a while and then came down. So we got a little time there. Let's go see on these other big moves here as well. Green moon, bottom volume coming out, a lot of room to run. It did well, came back down, the RSI reset, and then we had a nice little push all the way across. All right. So right now, I mean, what we need is the same scenarios kind of popping up into these zones here, and that's what we're looking at. So currently on this XRP move, this is a shitload of volume here coming from the bottom. It wasn't, you know, it came from the bottom volume here. We had a nice little push over. It's pushing into massive. I mean, this volume is massive right now. So this RSI is probably going to run across the top for a little bit. right? But we're still, this is not showing any sign of relief. So on the bigger picture for XRP, right? It's kind of where we're at. So right now the resistance is hitting at 45 cents. This is a resistance support line right here. So right now we need another candle. We're looking at the 4-hour candles. So that would be 4 a.m., 8 a.m., 12 a.m., 4 p.m. So we need a 4 p.m. So in about 2 hours, we're going to get another candle, right? All right. So right now we're looking to break through this here. Give me 1 second. All right. So it looks like we're going to break through this resistance or resistance line here at 45 cents. The next stop of resistance is 47 and a half. And then we're heading towards a 49. And then I think the top is sitting at that 50-cent mark. So we got some, we're breaking through these lines here, guys. So it's looking pretty good. As far as us, like if you're in the academy, we're looking at the RSIs, but more importantly, we need to simply focus on the 2-hour trends, right? The 2-hour trend is sitting right on top of that 45 cent. So XRP from here, 45 cent is the fair price if you're going to push up. That's pretty much where you're at. And we're going to watch the 30-minute trend, right? The 30-minute trend line is going to give us kind of like a visual of the, you know, it's 4 30-minute candles inside of a 2-hour candle, right? So the 30-minute trend is where we really kind of dig into. I love to trade on the 30-minute time frame because it allows me to kind of like see a little more advancement of my 2-hour trades. And it looks like the 2-hour 30-minute trend, the RSI or the MACD right here, guys, if you're in the academy, you're going to see a bounce right here. And then that from there on its way up is probably where we're going to see what we're doing. So right here, I would expect on the academy side, I would expect our MACD. You guys see this crossing right here? You guys see where the green and red are coming together, buyers and sellers? I'm expecting right there for, instead of a red moon, I mean, that's kind of like the key there. We're either going to get a red moon and have a pullback here, but it doesn't look like it. Looks like we're going to bounce off of this red line here at about 45 cents, which is the entry for Bitcoin. And it looks like we're going to push up until we get to that 47 mark right there. So right here, a solid stop loss for anybody is probably about 44 cents would be a stop loss for anybody here. As far as everything else, man, I mean, it looks like XRP is just, you know, consolidating here. It is getting to a point of, you know, weakness right here. We do have a level of 44.6. And if this becomes a red moon on our 30, then we'll be looking for a pullback or a short here. That's what we're looking for right now. Is positioning for the next push up, but XRP has a lot of room to run here. It's just that the RSIs are kind of overbought, so they just need to breathe here. But it doesn't look like too many people are selling XRP. So even though you're having like a breathing period on XRP, it's still pushing a little bit in there. So this is why I like to see the 30-minute time frame, guys. So if you're on YouTube, you're in the Academy, you're in the Discord, you're watching right here where we're taking a look at the 30-minute. I love the 30-minute right here. 30-minute for me is always the time frame as far as like to make any decisions on there. So right now, this is where we're watching the 30-minute time frame. I'll show you guys how to read the MACD. Can you show us how to read the MACD? Yeah, I mean, we can go over the MACD. I'm going to make a video tonight about the 30-minute time frame so you guys can kind of like see the MACDs. But our MACD is going to be bouncing right here. So I'll show you right here what I'm talking about. All right, so here. So right here, you see these two little lines? These are the MACD. We have a lot of volume here, but it looks like we're about to come with buyers and sellers, right? And I'll make a video tonight, but this is where we're looking for this bounce. We're looking for this to actually not go into a red moon, but to bounce and then continue its movement upwards there. But like I said, guys, we focus on the 30-minute, guys. We literally look at the 30-minute all the time. I'm going to, the 30-minute would be this 44.6. Let me make sure my stop loss is in here. 44.
Should I be checking mine too?
Yeah, should I mean you should already be set. You should be good on there. I'm just looking at.
Yeah, set mine when you set yours.
So you have a different so my leverage is higher than yours, twice as high. So that's why I rotate mine a lot more than yours. So you should be good. You should be just sitting here waiting on this little bounce. We should get a bounce off of this line here. We shouldn't get a red moon. This should actually bounce up, and then we should see a continuation of this next 30-minute candle. Huh?
Said if you need me to, I'll kick someone's ass and get a red moon.
Get a red moon, baby. We want to stay at that green. We want this to bounce. Want it to bounce.
Should make a video of yourself saying it's a green moon on a rise. That old song.
Green moon on the rise. I mean, we're this is that little price right here. So right now the 45 cent to 44.5 is kind of like fair value price where everyone is, you know, this is kind of like it's not enough profit yet because, you know, there is a possibility of 50 cents. So I think most people are probably going to start taking profits at that 48 cent mark, 47.5. On their way to 50. So it looks like everybody's thinking that XRP is going to do about 50 cents.
BC, just to be on the same page. Should I still be in the red?
It depends on where your entry, but yeah, you're probably in the red right there. Because you were kind of a little bit off on the end. Remember, you went the wrong way.
Entry was 0.4526.
Yeah. Because originally you did what, a short?
Yeah, fudged up.
Yeah.
So just leave it go. Good to go.
Yeah, you're gonna hold off in there. You're good.
No problem.
So we're bouncing off just like we thought we would right here. So we look like, so our MACD is bouncing up here off of here. So it looks like not enough sellers are in this POC right now. So right now we're just pushing up, guys. We are long on XRP right now, guys. 45 cent is the entry for the long for us. So right now we're just bouncing off of our MACD. So we're looking at the third. Let me see if I can pull this up for you. So you guys can see right here, the MACD came down right in this area here and then bounced. Like you see how it didn't cross the green and the red right there?
Let me know if I can help you, faithful buddy.
So it looks like we're going to continue up from this 45 cent mark. Thanks for the follow, Red One. Ashi5, thanks for the follow, Ashi. Adam B, what up, Adam B? Thanks for the follow, Adam B. So the 45 cent mark looks like a good entry point for us, guys. So I mean, the next real testing point is going to be this little level here at 47. And we could probably see it a little better on here. Yeah, so 47 cents is going to be our next little test. 47 cents. And then once we break 47, 49 is going to be the number. So I think we're probably going to see some type of sell zone around here. So I mean, I think most people are going to be looking for profits at around 48 cents because they get a little bit greedier when it comes down to the main lines. So that's what we're just watching right now. So guys, this is where we're at. This is kind of like the fair price for XRP right now is about 45 cents. 44 cents is your stop loss if you're on a longer support there, but the leverage should be about 20 to 30. But yeah, it looks like XRP is going to push up to 40, 48 cents here. Is what we're waiting on. Why is XR pumping? I mean, so in it for the money. What is the end of every? What's the end of every rally? What's the end of every rally? What's the end of every rally? XRP is normally the end of every rally. So right here, look at XRP's pump, right? September 16th. Pumps all the way up until October 15th. Then we go into a short, and then November 8th, completely took a shit. So XRP will pump, and then go sideways, and that's kind of the end of the rally right there. Let's take a look at the other XRP. Anytime XRP pumps, man, we have a nice little pump. The end of the rally comes April 2nd. So here's your pump right here on XRP. February 2nd comes up. Has a second pump right here. Pushes up March 30th. And that's the end of the rally. So that's where we're at right now, guys. We're kind of in that little zone here where XRP has two pumps, right? So the very first pump of XRP happened right here, January 10th. It went sideways. It went into a red zone here. There's our red trend. And now what we're waiting for here is the daily trend, right? If we don't have a daily trend here, USDT short. So we're not, notice here, we're not getting a green trend here on the daily. You see that? So see this little green trend here? We're not green trend daily right here. So that needs to go green for this to reach 50 cents. If it doesn't go green, then we're probably going to max out here around 46 and a half, 47 cents. That's the next move right there. So to kind of see where that is, you take a look at the 4 hour. We did get a green 4 hour here. So here's another, so normally it takes about a day. So 4, 8, 12. So we're halfway. We need 3 more candles to get a daily. If we don't get that daily in 3 more candles, then we're going to be looking at looking to take a short on XRP. But this will be the end of the rally for this trading period here, which makes sense because we normally close out about March 30th. Yeah, and XRP will stop trading about 4 days prior to the dump. So we got about March 25th. XRP should be done pumping. And then we will go into the winter or the summer short. So March 30th, guys. March 27th, we want to start looking for shorts around March 27th. So this is all playing right into key, right? So this is just saying that we are still following the same cycles that we've been in. XRP is going to finish the new beginning of the year rally. Yeah, we're long right now, man. We're long in XRP right now, 45 cents, guys. So we did some big profits on it earlier. Now we're just finishing up with the resetting of the bags. Reset the bag time. So that's where we're at, man. That's with the XRP side, guys. So I would just keep an eye on it and see where we're at. Yeah, I mean, 45 cents. Like right now, looks like a good entry right now if you're coming off the backside. We're kind of watching the 30-minute RSIs, which is starting to bounce here. So yeah, I mean, I would say if you haven't gotten in right now, 45, 47 is probably an average price here. So yeah, that's kind of like the fair price we're looking at.
Yeah, for sure. Get the first time, man. I wish I could do some of that shit over there.
So
Just get before everything.
take profit 47. Yeah, we're looking for the next take profit is 47.3, right? So I mean, that would probably to me to be safe 47 cents I would start taking profits, and 48 is probably the max. I mean, I would say 48 is pushing it where I think most people are going to take profits right there. But yeah, this means that we're coming to the end of this cycle. So it looks like March 30th will be the end of this trading cycle. And then we're going to see pullbacks until July. And then that's where you want to take profits here at the end of March. And then get ready to short the market and make profits on the way down until the end of July. And then start looking to get into like your moon bags at the beginning of July and start getting ready for the 6 to 7, 8 months later for those to go up 3, 4, 5, 600% on the pushes. But this looks like a normal trading cycle, even with all the craziness with the banks, the economy, and everything else. It just seems like we're following a normal trading life, right? Trade until March 30th, April 1st, short the market until July 15th. Buy once again July 15th until October 16th. Start shorting November until December 22nd, 25th. And then start buying again December 29th and sell once again March 30th. All right, so it's like a same cycle. We're just kind of running the same thing here. Um, that's kind of where we're at right now. So it doesn't seem like much has changed. So looks like XRP is running the same course it always does, and we're coming to an end of a market here. So my stop loss here, man, is so I'm sitting here. The stop loss that I'm running is right at the bottom of this big candle here. So 44.15 if you're doing a 30x or something like that. My stop loss I move up because I'm running a 80x or something. So my stop loss is at the bottom of this wick right here, which is 44.5. You know, really, stop losses always depend on how you what's your leverage, right? So normally stop losses you always want to put at about. This is kind of like the ideal of understanding like what you're trading, right? So you don't want to trade all your money on a trade. You want to trade something like, you know, four bags at a 25% mark. So if you have $1,000, you know, you most of the time you want to trade at 200 to $250, so that you have four bags, right? That you can continue to build bags and increase your positions. So the stop loss is always about 30% of the trade. So you're willing to lose 30% of the trade, and your take profit is at the 30%. So the goal is to win 30%, 7 out of 10 times. So figure three of the trades you lose 30%, seven you win. That means you have four trades at 30%, which means out of those four, seven, you know, those 10 trades, you doubled your money in the week. So keeping it simple. Oh. All right, so that's kind of where we're at right now, guys. So we're just gonna wait this out, man. I'm gonna jump off. I'm gonna go get some lunch and shit, and I'll be back on trading this tonight around 7 o'clock, and we're gonna take a look there. But yeah, I'm gonna make some videos today, guys, on how to, you know, use the 30-minute, watch the indicators. There's so much money on these moons here, guys. If you guys are looking to get in, thanks for the follow, guys. Like, so if you want to get in the academy, if you guys are looking to get into trading, just make sure you go check out the link underneath my face. If you signed up already, make sure you check your emails. Make sure you're getting checking your emails. How to choose Bitcoin carefully for massive gains for investing. So anytime you start seeing a lot of news here, guys, about Bitcoin going to 100,000, that's kind of going to let you know that you're probably going to be coming into a dump soon. Yeah. So I mean, I would anytime you see really good things about, um, yeah, we're coming to the end of this trading zone here, guys. So want to get ready to start shorting the market pretty soon is where we want to set up. Um, so that's where we want to be, guys. So we'll be back on later. Hit the follow button. Hit that. If you guys are on TikTok, make sure you're following. Go comment on some videos. We're going to jump into some things. If you guys got into the academy, guys, if you didn't get your email, let me know, man. Send another email on there. Make sure that you're getting yourself set up there. Um, if you're looking to trade or get in the academy, if you don't see the sign, it's underneath my face there in the bio. Give me 1 second here. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so we're gonna leave. We're gonna stay in our longs here. All right, where's my TikTok? So guys, if you're getting in the academy, is there anyone here that signed up for the academy that didn't get an email? Let me get to you right now. So before I hop off here. All right. So I'll be back on a little bit later, guys. We're gonna hold this long on XRP here. We're looking for 48 cents, guys. We'll hop back on and we'll jump into these trades, man. All right, let me get off of there. All right, boys, we're gonna hold that long. All right, Pops, you got your stop loss, everything set up, so you should be good. We're gonna hold this until this XRP goes into that 47 cent mark. What's up, brother?